Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about front anally, their type and disorders. Front anelles are anatomical feature of infant human skull. It comprising soft membranous cap between cranial bones of an infant. Types of front anally: posterior front anally, sphenoidal front anally, mastoid front anally, and anterior front anally. Posterior front anally is triangle shaped and it present at junction between sagittal suture and lambdoidal suture. In this diagram, this is sagittal suture and this is lambdoidal suture. So there is a gap between sagittal suture and lambdoidal suture. This is known as posterior front anally. So this gap is known as posterior front anally. It generally closes at 2 to 3 months after birth. Anterior front anally. Anterior front anally is diamond shaped and it is located between frontal and parietal bone of developing fetal skull. Similarly, in this diagram, this is frontal bone and these are parietal bone. So between frontal and parietal bone, this is gap and this gap is known as anterior front anally and its shape is like diamond, whereas posterior front anally shape is triangle shape. It is at the junction of coronal and sagittal suture. This suture is coronal suture and this is sagittal suture. So anterior front anally is present at junction of coronal suture and sagittal suture. It generally closes between 12 to 18 months of age after birth. Sphenoidal or anterolateral front anally. It present between sphenoid, parietal, temporal and frontal bone. In this diagram, this is temporal bone, parietal bone, frontal bone and sphenoidal bone. So in between of these four bone there is a gap. This gap is known as sphenoidal front anally and this is present in anterior part of brain and present laterally, so it is also known as anterolateral front anally. This sphenoidal front anally closes around 6 months after birth. Mastoid or posterolateral front anally. This present between temporal, occipital and parietal bone. In this diagram, this is occipital bone, this is parietal bone and this is temporal bone. So gap between this temporal, parietal and occipital bone. So this is gap. So this gap is known as mastoidal front anally. It is present laterally and in posterior part of skull, so known as posterolateral front anally. Mastoid front anally closes around 6 to 18 months after birth. Disorder of front anally. There are mainly three disorders: bulging, enlargement of front anally and depressment of front anally. Causes of bulging of front anally. A very tense or bulging anterior front anally indicate raised intracranial pressure and it can be due to encephalitis, hydrocephalus, meningitis. Enlargement of front anally. This can be due to multiple disease. Some of disease can be Down syndrome, hydrocephalus, intrauterine growth retardation, premature birth, achondroplasia, Apert syndrome, cleidocranial dyscytosis, congenital rubella, neonatal hypothyroidism, osteogenesis imperfecta and rickets. So in this disease, enlargement of front anally can be done. Depressed front anally. In case of dehydration and malnutrition, we can get depressed frontally. So these are all about frontally, their types and disorders. Thank you very much for carefully watching this.